Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook imitation crab, ensuring delicious results every time. Most imitation crab is already fully cooked, so we are essentially just warming it through or combining it with other ingredients to enhance your dish. You will discover how simple it is to incorporate this versatile ingredient into various meals, adding a unique texture and mild flavor. This allows you to enjoy its distinct qualities in numerous culinary creations with minimal effort. Preparing imitation crab is incredibly quick, often taking just a few minutes. You can lightly sauté it in a pan with a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat for about 2 minutes until it's warmed through and slightly golden. Another easy option is to microwave it. Place the pieces on a plate and heat for 30 to 60 seconds, ensuring they are warm but not rubbery. For cold preparations, simply flake it into a bowl and mix with your desired ingredients. To elevate the taste of your imitation crab, consider adding some simple flavor enhancements. A quick marinade in a mix of lemon juice, a dash of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of sesame oil for 10 minutes can transform its profile. Alternatively, gently warm it with a tablespoon of melted butter and a sprinkle of garlic powder for a rich, aromatic experience. Serving it with a creamy avocado dressing or a tangy cocktail sauce also provides wonderful complementary notes. Imitation crab is a fantastic ingredient for a wide array of recipes, from appetizers to main courses. You can easily make delicious crab cakes by mixing flaked imitation crab with 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and your favorite seasonings, then pan-frying them until golden. It also excels in cold pasta salads, combined with crisp vegetables and a light mayonnaise-based dressing. Consider adding it to a cheesy quesadilla or a fresh seafood-style taco for a quick, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.